Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. And just want to shout out to all of those who have subscribed to my channel. And if you have not done so, please do so, okay? And as you can see, man, andiamo. Let's go together. We're going to talk about this amazing company, amazing products. Okay, Oliabo. And so we're going to get into it. So stay with me for the next couple of minutes, okay? All right. Okay, Oliabo. Italian purity meets American purpose. And Oliabo is a word from two different words. One is olia, which is oil, and botanicals, and so it means oil, oils, botanicals. Okay, sorry about that. I'm kind of tongue-tied today for whatever reason. Okay, but we're gonna get through it. All right. So let's move on. Okay, so I just wanted to share this quote. I love this quote. It says, "The hardest thing to see is what is in front of your eyes." Johann Wolfgang Goethe. The hardest thing to see is what is in front of your eyes. So we're going to see some things in this video. Not going to be very long, but we definitely want to share some ideas with you, okay? Share this amazing opportunity with you. So let's keep moving. All right. Okay, so I want you to really think about some things as we move through this presentation. Just give it some really, some deep thought, okay? And as you can see here, it says the olive, one of history's most important botanicals, symbolizing peace and prosperity, powerful health benefits that modern science continues to affirm. And so definitely think about this thought right here. Okay, I'm gonna say that one more time. Read this one more time. Powerful health benefits that modern science continues to affirm. And I might as well say this, because I try to say this in every video that I do, and that is I encourage people to Google the benefits of high quality olive oil. Okay, it's got to be high quality, because a lot of what we see in the marketplace today is not high quality. It doesn't have the health benefits, but we've got something that's powerful. And when you check out that, then it might awaken some things in you. You might be able to see some things that you may not have seen before. Okay, we'll say it like that. All right. So let's move on. Okay. So a thought I want to share with you right now is that Oliabo is built on the foundation of people and products. And Oliabo is a Renaissance company in the direct selling space. Okay. And we've got powerful products. We've got a unique story, a proven model, and a compelling comp plan, and a team with a proven track record. We've got some guys and gals in the leadership of our company who are involved in building a billion dollar plus company. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into what we're looking at here on this screen. Okay, so discover Prima, okay, and if you look here for me, it says Oliabo products are made with a science-backed, high-phenolic formula that delivers real, measurable health benefits. And so that's another thing I want you to keep in mind, that our products, and Prima, let me back up a little bit. Prima is our core product, our foundational product, our flagship product, okay? And man, it is pretty amazing. Now we don't make any medical claims or anything like that, but what I encourage people to do is check out the science for themselves, okay? And then check out the products for yourself. And once you see the benefits, first of all, of high quality olive oil, it might excite you, okay, like it does for me. I like putting natural things in my body, health, nutrition, okay, and we've got we've got an incredible product and incredible products with more to come, okay. Now look here for me. It says one single upgrade could dramatically impact your health and your financial future, okay. Discover Prima. Prima is an exceptional nutritional product that is derived from high-phenolic olive oil, the #1 longevity food on the planet. Wow. And you can discover this for yourself, okay? So it says here, learn about this for yourself, okay? Learn about this for your family and your friends, and even for people that you don't even know, okay? All right, so just a couple things more before I close this video out. I don't want this to be too long, and then because I've got a lot to share, so we're going to be sharing some things, down through the days, down through the weeks, down through the months, etc. I will say this, that I'm very, very excited about Oliabo, and I was looking for this type of company, this type of product, okay, and so I've got other opportunities that I promote, but this is at the forefront. This is top of the list, okay, and so I just wanted to make that known in this video. All right, so let me go to the next slide. Okay, so I want to share this note that I put in my notebook. Okay, it's a couple things actually before we close out today. And so the first note is, learn the story of one of nature's greatest secrets. Okay, learn the story of one of nature's greatest secrets. And the other one is this, and I love this one as well. Better health gives you more time in a better way. Better health gives you more time in a better way. So let me move through this, and look, I've got information that I want to share with you in the description area of this video. Okay, there are going to be some links there. You can join this program for free. Okay, you can sign up for free as and here's the thing. Become a free member, use the products, okay? You're going to want to use them, okay? If you're into health and nutrition, you're going to want to use them, and then you're going to want to share them with as many people as you can, okay? So I'm going to do this, and then we're going to close this video out. We're going to go here, all right, where it says Oliabo here, an exceptional opportunity, an emerging powerhouse in the health and wellness industry. And I love this quote here. When your work is aligned with your values, it no longer feels like work. Okay. And again, Oliabo is free to join. And this is an invitation. Okay. This is an invitation to join our team. We've got a powerhouse team. And man, with our team Zoom calls and the corporate calls, you get about 4 to 5 Zoom calls per week. and you want to make at least one a week. If you can make more, that's even going to be better. But if you can make, you got to at least make one a week. Okay, one Zoom call. Now, the big misunderstanding, and I'm going to do this and I'm going to close this video. Okay, the big misunderstanding: for thousands of years, olive oil was used as medicine. Okay, not just food, but modern processing stripped it of the most powerful compounds, polyphenols. All right, that's why most olive oils today have flavor but no therapeutic value. So folks, this is what I want you to do. If you would, please check out the information in the description area of this video. And think about this. Think about that. You know, if you're a health-minded person like myself, and believe in supplementation like I have for many years, then I really want you to see this. I really want you to get involved with it and start sharing with other people, because you're going to be excited about the things that you see and the things that you hear. I'm scratching the surface in this video, okay? Scratching the surface, believe me when I tell you. But again, grab the information in the description area of this video. Get more information, check things out, join our team. And if you join me, of course, you're going to be joining our powerful team. And again, Zoom calls, training, all of that, man, it's pretty amazing. But there you have it, guys. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Okay? All right. Bye-bye now.